press pause and answer the question.
All right, so we have this distance, this average distance between Earth and Mars of 225 million kilometers. And we have this rate of our spacecraft, which is 58,000 kilometers per hour. So unlike the last question, we're dealing with kilometers and kilometers. We're probably not going to have to convert to meters. But like the last question, we're going to start at the value that's given that's not a rate. So that's not 58,000 kilometers per hour. That's a rate, kind of a fraction, kilometers per hour. That per is the giveaway. We're going to start at the 225 million kilometers. So let's start there. And we want to change it. What do we want to change to? We want to change it to days. So we want to change kilometers to days, which is kind of a crazy idea. But that's really what we're doing. We're changing distance in kilometers to days that it's going to take to get there. And we do this all the time, right? If you say, like, how far away is New York? And you say, oh, it's 6 hours. That really wasn't the question. The question didn't say how long will it take you to drive to New York. It's how far away it is. But we understand that in a car driving on the interstate, we can pretty easily convert in our heads hours to miles. All right, so back to this one. We're going to start with the 225 million, so now we're at million, kilometers. And we want to change them to hours. So we'll put kilometers on the bottom and hours on the top. And we have a rate of 58,000 kilometers per hour. So it's 58,000 kilometers for every 1 hour. And we can, for now, ghost out the kilometers because they're going to cancel out. So that's going to give us some distance, but it's going to turn it to hours, just like my discussion of driving to New York. But it doesn't make sense to talk about traveling to Mars in hours because it's a lot of hours. We prefer to put it in days or years maybe. But in this case, we're being asked how many days does it take. So we'll multiply that by 1, basically, by something where we put hours on the bottom and days on the top. And you know there are 24 hours in a day. And so we'll take 225 million and we'll divide it by 58,000. And then we'll get a number, and then we'll divide that by 24. And then we get just under 162 days. That's our answer.